What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. And as you can tell, oh wait, hold on one second. Oh, there we go. So we're currently in the middle of the desert, and I can explain. We drove to Arizona, about 800 miles, to pick up this car. This is our new car, and I couldn't be more excited, and I'll explain to you guys why. But first, we gotta get home. So yeah, let's do that. All right, we're back. We made it back home. It was a crazy last 2 days, but I forgot something. Well, I didn't forget. I just wanted to kind of put it into this video because there's a lot of things I wanted to talk about or show you guys, and I just wanted to put it all into one video. Here we go. Alright, so as you guys know, and you can tell by the title of this video, and probably the only reason that you're actually watching this video, which is fine, I understand. Oh no, I have my laptop. Okay, cool. These, and first of all, what is going on here? I am so sorry, guys. This is just nuts. We came back from camping. It's a long story, you guys don't care about it. These wheels. I'm giving away these wheels, as you guys know, and today I'm picking a winner. I want to give these wheels to one of you guys. The only catch is, obviously, as I said in the last video, that you guys do have to come out and pick these wheels up from me. I'm not going to ship them out anywhere. Also, real quick, I don't think I noted this in the giveaway video, but I'm located in the Los Angeles / Santa Clarita area. So I'd be willing to drive anywhere that's, you know, within like the LA area, you know, wherever that's around here, depending on where you are. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Now, let's get to the important part. So I literally just Googled random comment picker for YouTube. To my surprise, over 700 of you commented. I had no idea that was gonna happen. That is insane. 738 likes, 700 comments. I think that might be a record for this channel. I'm not sure, which is awesome. You guys really cared about it. And so I've copied the URL of this video. All I have to do is just enter it into this. Boom, did it. Filter duplicate users, you know, just so everybody has a fair chance. I figured I just wanted to give everybody a fair chance, so this is the way to do it. All right, so here we go. Get YouTube comments. 600 comments. There it is. All right, so the number of unique commenters is 695 people. So step 2 is start the raffle and pick the random winner. Don't look at these ads. This video is not for these ads. All right, here we go. Look at all those comments flying. Oh. Winner is Brandon Bolduck. I'm sorry if I Bolduck. I'm entering this giveaway. These would be awesome for my 2018 WRX. Well, there it is, guys, and congratulations to you, Brandon, and your 2018 WRX. I also hope you're fairly close so that you can pick up these wheels. Next up is Brandon. Comment on this video, private message us, DM us on Instagram. They'll be right here somewhere. Make sure you do that. So reach out to me and we'll work something out as far as how we can get these wheels to you in the easiest way possible. And that's it for that. It's over. The giveaway's over. It's done. Now to the next part of this video, which is outside, which you guys have already seen, but I want to talk more about it. All right, we are here in the usual spot, one of the usual spots anyways, and we have here a 2002 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition. Now, let me tell you guys, first of all, disclaimer, if you guys aren't into truck stuff or utility vehicle stuff, it's gonna get bad. I'm just warning you right now. Click away from the video. Don't watch after this point. It's just gonna get bad. Let me tell you why this car, or this truck, is so special and so cool to me. If you guys have been around for a while, I did have a 2017 Subaru Crosstrek, and that was it was the daily, but then I got married and then my wife started driving it, and then that's why I got the Chevy Bolt. Now I'm dailying the Chevy Bolt, and the WRX is kind of like the fun car, but we needed something bigger. We needed something bigger than the Crosstrek and everything else, and after a lot of looking around online, this is the car, and let me tell you why it's the car, literally the car. As I said before, I drove down to Arizona, the very bottom of Arizona, about an hour away from the border of Mexico, to pick up this car and drive it back to Los Angeles in 2.5, 3 days, and we just got back literally like a couple hours ago, and I am so pumped on this car. And it's one of 3 4Runners, a 3rd gen 4Runner. If you guys don't know a lot about the 4Runners, the 3rd generation is kind of the best generation of all the generations. I think they're up to 5 now. 3rd generation is the best generation, just because that's when they got things right on these cars. And so that's what this is. So I needed a 3rd generation 4Runner, and there was 3. In the western side of the US, there was 3. That's it. And it's very specific because it has to be a 4-wheel drive. I really wanted it to be a 4-wheel drive. I wanted it to be under 200,000 miles because these things last forever. If they're well kept and you take care of them and you do the right things to them, they're gonna last forever. So this one has about 170,000 miles, and it was a good deal, and it was literally the nicest one. The other 2 were in California, but they were just in terrible condition. And this one is so nice. It's almost in perfect condition. There's a couple, wear and tear. It's 2002, so obviously it's not gonna be perfect, but this car was the one, so we had to drive it down to Arizona to pick it up. The other reason that this car is very special to me is because of what we're gonna be using it for. This is going to be our adventure road trip machine monster. That's what this is for. This thing, and I wouldn't be showing you guys this if I didn't have a lot of plans for it. Look, it looks cool right now, it's fine, but I got plans for this car. It's gonna look absolutely nothing like this when it's done. Now, the goal for this car is cheap, fun, but doing it right. I wanna do this car right, but it has to be on the budget side just because, it's not, we got it for a cheaper price. If we wanted to go all out, we would have gotten a brand new 4Runner, but we wanted to keep this old school, keep it nice, clean, cheap, but overall really good quality. One of the things I'll just tell you guys right now, these bumpers are gonna change. One of the biggest things that I'm really most excited for is this car is actually gonna get repainted, and I won't tell you guys the color yet because it's actually, okay, I will, kind of. It's one of the TRD specific colors. If you guys know Toyota TRD, it's one of the TRD Pro specific colors that we're gonna be making this car, because it is, at the end of the day, it's gonna be a crazy off-road, just super cool adventure machine. So if you guys are interested in seeing any of this, I'm probably gonna end up showing you guys anyways, but if you guys are interested in seeing any of this, let me know in the comments. I'm super excited for this. Yeah, it's not WRX, it's not race, it's not, JDM. Well, I guess it kind of is JDM. It's nothing like what we usually do on this channel, but nonetheless, this is an interest that I do have, and I've always been interested in this kind of stuff, and this is the first time that I really get to explore that. And I want to know if you guys are interested in it as well. I know, like I said, it's so different from what we usually do, but it's not going to be different in the way that we're going to be just making it our own. This is never finished, guys. This is never finished. It's another project that we get to make never finished. If you guys are interested, I'm just going to tag this onto the end. A couple really cool things about this car that make this unique is not only is it the last year of the 3rd generation, it's 2002. In 2003, they moved on to the generation 4. But not only that, it's a sport edition, which are actually really hard to come by. That means that you got features like the sunroof, and it's 4-wheel drive. Like I said, it was essential that I got the 4-wheel drive, but it also has the rear differential locker, which is super cool, because that means when we take it off-road, if we get stuck, that's just one more thing that can help us get over things and through things and all that kind of stuff. And the other thing is that this has a tow package, which is, that's already awesome. We're going to be towing stuff with this. So those are just a few reasons why this car is really special and why I'm really excited about it. So I don't scare you guys. This is not going to be everything that I post from now on. We're still doing stuff for the WRX. I still have a lot of plans for the WRX, but this is just a little intermission right now. Like, the next video is probably going to be a WRX video. This is just something to look forward to in the future. That's just what I'm excited about. I wanted to share that with you guys just in case you were interested. So that's pretty much it. And yes, the beard did come with the 4Runner. It just came with it. I don't know. I got in the car and it was there. As soon as I got the keys, it was there. I don't know. It just happened. I'm sorry. If you guys have any questions about the giveaway or about this car, about the future of this car or the WRX or anything like that, let us know in the comments below. And I think that's where I'm going to leave it off today. And appreciate you guys coming by. As always, we're never finished, and we will catch you guys in the next one.